Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job today. This home is on a beautiful lake in Wisconsin, literally on the water's edge. My first ladder move there is actually with my ladder in the water. So this home has cedar shakes that are fairly old. This side is pretty good. It's the only side I might be able to get before and after pictures of. There's some big trees on the other sides that might prevent me from taking any pictures at all. So we might just feature this side of the home for our before and after. So this is the before of the cedar shakes before they are soft washed. We are watering everything on the ground in preparation for the soft wash. So this is a before video. I've also taken a before picture. We will take an after picture and an after video. There's also a little changing house that we may or may not feature on this property, but there's basically another side to this roof just like this, and then over here through the willow tree we have another cedar roof over there, but I think for the sake of simplicity we're just going to feature this roof here in this video today. So again, if you need a soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job done anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185, and please stay tuned for the before and after video and pictures. Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for staying tuned. Just doing a during video here. Just thought this would be an interesting time to showcase the beautiful effects of soft washing. Okay, so what we have here on the edge of these cedar shakes is moss, real heavy, and it has not been treated with the soft wash process. Over here, we have treated this portion of the roof, and you can see that the moss is dead. So that's the soft washing process in a nutshell. We're killing every organism that lives and grows on the cedar shakes, causing premature wood rot. And so we're extending the life of these cedar shakes by killing the things living and growing on the roof. So as you can see, this portion of the roof here has not been done. I'll climb up a little bit higher on my ladder so you can see. So over here, we've got all the dead moss, all the brown rot fungi has been killed. And then over here, you can see that the roof is still really dark. And all the things living and growing on this roof are still alive. And then we get back over here and they're all dead. So if you have a cedar shake roof anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you would like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hey everyone, so here's an after video of this side of the home. The roof is still wet in quite a few spots. But as you can see, the roof went from a gray to a nice golden color, just like cedar shake should be. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you'd like soft wash, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you.